Hello guys! Today I'm gonna be drawing a scene from an antique store. It's a really cute store with nice interior decorations, frames, tables, colorful furniture, bird cages, little lamps, little figurines, sculptures. So it's the perfect subject to be drawing or painting in watercolor. See what pictures you have from the trips you took or day trips that might also yield nice drawings for you. So first I'm going in with my Pitt Artist Pens, medium thickness here, and I'm outlining my sketch. I choose which parts I want to emphasize and which parts I want to leave out. The original photo was really detailed, but the reason I'm not referencing it here in the video is because I wanted to simplify it a little. And I'm only showing things that I want to show and not necessarily going into every minute detail. Because it's impossible, really, if you think about it. It's impossible to show every tiny detail. Not if you want to make a quick fashion drawing, which this essentially is. And you'll notice that even though you don't show every tiny detail, it's still looking quite detailed because of the techniques that you're using. When you draw little sculptures, you just give a basic shape and add a few lines in it, and it already looks detailed. Look at that. That's how it works. That's the quality of the pens, that when you draw with them, they look detailed, even with a few lines. That's why I love these pens. The key is not to overdraw. Just give a suggestion. Okay, so now I'm going in with my first watercolor layer. Mixing some basic colors for the gilded frames, making the brick wall, the exposed brick. I love that. It really gives a certain feel to the rustic feel to the place, to the illustration. And it's already giving us some space and dimension in there. Put some splotches of color to indicate different paintings on the furniture. So in my books, I will definitely include reference photos so that you can see the progression from a photo to an illustration. But for the purposes of the video, I'm just doing the illustration itself and the process of the illustration. I'm also going to go into more detail about the colors and the process of the illustration in my book. Yeah, indicate the floor. Now I let that layer dry, and I'm adding details like lipstick, lip color, more patterns on the shirt, more shading in the hair, clothing. Just putting final touches on this drawing. I'm not planning to make it too detailed, just adding some final touches of color. And also I will add some shadows, drop shadows, and that's it.